guys, so just before we get into the video, I wanted to talk with you guys a little bit about channel memberships as well as channel support in general. So my channel memberships are $2.99 a month, and with that you get custom emojis that you can use during live chats and whatnot. And then I also have member-only videos, which are usually a more personal look into my life. They're more blog style. And also on a sporadic basis, I do member-only giveaways. My goal, though, is to be able to do more giveaways. Not just member-only giveaways, but more giveaways in general on the channel. But I would like to reach a point where I can do at least one members only giveaway a month. As far as other channel support, there are multiple ways that you can do that, which are all in the description box below. So if you guys really enjoy my content and you guys can, maybe you could do me a favor and check out, my channel channel memberships, or check out the options for channel support in general. It is greatly appreciated. Like I said, I do have some goals where I'd like to be able to start doing more regular giveaways for you guys. So yeah, let's get into the video. Hey guys! So, welcome to another Stitch of the Week. If you're new to my channel, I'm Adrian. And if you're new to this series, what it is I am going through this book, the New Crochet Stitch Dictionary. It is by Nail Brass and Eveline Hetty Burkhart. Hopefully I didn't butcher those names. If you're interested in this book, I will link it down in the description box below. This week is stitch number 15. We're still working our way through basic stitch variations. And this week is the knotted double crochet. So, yeah. For this tutorial, if I can make room on my table, I've got a ton of stuff everywhere. I am using my 5.5 millimeter Kiwi crochet hook. This was actually made custom for me, and if you're interested in this hook or something similar, she does do custom hooks. This is a clover tip, but you can choose from Clover Boy or Susan Bates, depending on what your preference is. She's got tons of different sizes, and like I said, I actually requested this one as a custom hook so that it would look like, our lovely Kiwi. And then I am also using some scrap Lilies and Cream worsted weight cotton. So, yeah, let's just jump into it. Okay, so to start off, we're going to need our slip knot. And you're going to chain as many stitches as you would like, plus 2. So, I am going to start off with a chain of 15, so that's 3. Okay, and then in the third chain from the hook, what we're going to do is we're going to yarn over and we're going to insert into the third chain from the hook, so right here, and then we're going to draw up a loop, and then we're going to take this loop and go through just one of the loops on the hook. That should leave you with 2 loops. You're going to yarn over and pull through 2. So to show you guys that again, yarn over, go into the next chain, draw up a loop. Now we're going to take this loop that we just drew up and go through this one here. And then we're going to yarn over again and draw through 2. And we're going to continue to do that all the way across. So yarn over, go into the next stitch. You're not going to yarn over here, you're just going to take and go directly through that next loop. Then you're going to yarn over and draw through 2. And I'm sure it's going to take some practice because I have to try to remember not to just do a standard double crochet. If my yarn would get on my finger properly. And you can see for me, it's almost easier to turn my work to the side instead of holding it horizontal. It's easier for me to get this second loop by turning my work vertical. See, I almost did a standard double crochet again. Last stitch of the row. Alright, and so this is what it's starting to look like. So I'm going to chain up 2. Now this chain 2 does count as your first stitch. So we're going to turn and yarn over and then go not into this one, but into the next stitch. And we're going to be doing the same thing, drawing up that loop and then taking that loop and going through the next loop on your hook, and then yarn over and draw through 2. Into the next stitch, go directly through that other loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Always being careful not to make a standard double crochet. So really, this is a really easy stitch. The hardest thing is remembering not to automatically make that standard double crochet. So I am gonna go ahead and work up a full swatch. This is what mine is looking like right now. I'm gonna work up a full swatch and then I will meet back up with you guys to show you what it looks like and give you my thoughts on this particular stitch. Okay guys, so this is what my swatch looks like. I have to say it does have a very nice texture. I really like this stitch actually. Once you get the hang of it and you don't once you get the hang of it and you remember not to make a standard double crochet, it comes pretty easily. I would say that this stitch, because it kind of bows right here, I think this stitch would benefit from a row of single crochet at the bottom as like a foundation row, maybe in the back bumps of the chain stitches to try to keep it from bowing a little bit. But other than that, I really like this stitch and I could totally see myself using it to make maybe a sweater or a hoodie or something of that nature. Anyways, I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful and useful, and I will see you guys in my next video. Not sure which one that will be, but yeah, if you did like it, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.